We'll start. Ready? So, once again I'm starting. Old textbook, ML Agarwal, 520 page, question number 24, trigonometry. The question is sec a root over sec a minus 1 plus whole by sec a plus 1 plus sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1 whole root is equal to 2 cosec a you have to prove. What I did, this part whole it is here, separately I did sec a minus 1 whole root by sec a plus 1 whole root. Similarly, the second term also I have divided like that, sec a plus 1 whole root by sec a minus 1 whole root. Now you take LCM of these two. Sec a plus 1, sec a minus 1, root over sec a plus 1 multiplied root over sec a minus 1. What will become this? This will become the same both the terms. So I will write root over sec a minus 1 whole square plus root over sec a plus 1. This side also same both the term whole square. Here what will happen? Talk about the numerator. Sec a square root is there. It's a square. So square root will omit. Sec a minus 1 plus sec a plus 1. Am I correct? Now in denominator what you do? Take root over common. These two you multiply. Sec a plus 1, sec a minus 1. So a square minus b square formula. Sec square a minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 up at numerator cancel. It will become a 2 sec a. Down what will become a sec square a minus 1. It's a formula of 10 square. So root over 10 square a. That is equal to 2 sec a by 10 a. Okay. If you are able to understand, it will be directly coming 2 cosec a. If not, then you can do sec a is equal to cos a by sin a by cos a. Cos a cancel, 2 by sin a, that is 2 cosec a. You can write directly. If you are able to know, then directly you can write, not a problem. This is question number 24. Now I will go little back gear I'll put. I'll go. These are the identity proofs all you did. Next we are you'll go move towards little complementary angles proofs or sums on complementary angles. Okay. Question number, page number 518. Question number, let me do, okay. Question number 6 bit 1. The question is cos square 26 plus cos 64, that is cos square, into sin 26 plus tan 36 by cot 54. Find the value. Find the value evaluate without using any trigonometric table. Trigonometric table so far you have not read. Okay. So let us start. You can see here that two things you can observe here. 26, any of the two numerical values here, angles, sum is 90 is coming. So 26 plus 64, 90, check it. And here 36, 54, sum is 90. So out of these two, from this pair, 64 and 26, one you convert into the other angle. similar 36 50 one you converted to other one, not both. So here I can want to check 26. If I am converting 26 into 64, then I have to two places I have to do. That's why I'll not do that. I will cos square 26, let it be, plus cos 64 I'll write cos 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 64 or not? And sin 26 as usual. I have yes. I did not change anything, my dear students. Cos 64 I represent as 90 minus 26, correct or not? That's all. So see, some here also will change. Some students while doing the sum, they also change here. If you change, both the things will change again. That's why they write 26 is equal to 90 minus 64. Both are not, any one you have to do. Similarly here 36 54 is 90, so any one I will do, either top or bottom. 10 36 I will leave like that. I will write cot 54, I will write cot 90 minus 36. So cos square 26 as usual plus cos 90 minus 26 is equal to cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So I will write become sin 26 into another sin 26. It is there. This one will become tan 36 by cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Theta is here 36, so tan 36. It will become cos square 26 plus sin 26 into sin 20, sin square 26 plus this will cancel 1. Cos square theta same now, cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the formula? 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 is the answer. Hope I am clear. Going to erase. Now 219 come back once again, or 218 any other sum you need to need that. Okay, one sum more I'll do 2 from 10th number. By seeing big questions you are asking. Okay, very good. 518 page, question number 10. Bit 1 or bit 2? As I wish. Okay, I'll do bit 1 only, bit 2 you try. So question number 10, bit 2, page 518, old textbook of ML Agarwal. The question is like this: 2 sec square 35 minus cot square 55 will be there. Yes, it's 55 minus cos 28 into cosec 52 will be there. 62, yes, correct. Next tan 18 tan 36, then it will be tan 30 tan 54 tan 72. First thing is that you search the page which makes 90. 35 55 sum 90, 28 62 90, 18 72 90, 36 54 90. Okay, and standard angle 10 30 is the standard angle. There no need to convert. So just go for it. Any this out of this page, when you one you have to do. So 2 as usual I'll write sec square theta as usual. What I'll write here, cot square 55 I'll write 90 minus 35. Agree? Then here also cos 28 as usual I'll write cosec 62 I'll write 90 minus 28. Agree? 10 18 as usual, don't change. 10 36 you, as usual. Tan 30 is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Tan 54 you write tan 90 minus 36. Tan 70 you write tan 90 minus 18. Clear? To here sec square as usual, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Square is there means tan square theta. Tan square theta is here 35. This is not theta, this is, sorry, this is 35 both, I wrote theta. Okay, minus cos 28 as usual, no, there is no change. Cosec 90 minus 28 means that is a what is that? Sec 28. Okay. Now 10 18 as usual. This 10 18 10 18 10 36 also no change. 1 by root 3 is there. Root 3 I can take up. Clear, as all are multiplied. Clear. In multiplication form all are there. So root 3 I took up. What will become? Now 10 90 minus 36, that is cot 36. Similarly 10 90 minus 18, cot 18. Clear? So this one sec square 35 minus tan square 35, theta is same, angle is same, so 1 2 into 1 minus cos into sec 28 28, so that is also 1 into root 3 down 36 cot 36 and tan 36 1 10 18 cot 18 1, so 1 into 1, so answer is 2 minus root 3. Hope I am clear.